Hi, dear friends, how are you today? Dear friends, today we are going to Malacan 3 and we want to explore the waterfall and mountains of Malacan 3. So, let's go. So, dear friends, at this time I'm exploring the mountains of Malacan 3 from my car. And now we are going in the entranceway of Malacan 3. This is the natural beauty of Malacan 3. This is the freshwater of river and we are crossing our car in the water. Dear friends, this is the natural sound and the natural beauty of Malacan Lake. And now we are washing tomato and green chilies. So guys, now we are cutting our washed tomato for beef kadai. So guys, here is very funny scene because we are using a simple way for cooling our watermelon. So let's go. So guys, the mutton kadai is about to be fried now. So guys, these are the natural sound of waterfall as well. So let's see that. Is it ready? Wow! Our beef fry is ready for serving. As you learn to see that there is certain area near to the water. So dear friends, our beef kadai is ready now and we are starting to eat. We are sitting here, so we are meeting with our cousin and now we start to eat. So this is the final look of beef kadai. So, dear friends, finally we eat the beef kalai, and now we are going to take tea. My cousin passed my tea. It's a very big mistake, but accidentally spilled the tea. So once again, we are going to the waterfall with my cousins. We want to enjoy the waterfall. So, dear friends, a lot of people are visiting here to enjoy the mountain waterfall and the natural sounds of water. So, dear friends, as you know that the water of this waterfall is going to the field. So, dear friends, now we want to end our vlog here because the time is going very late. So, dear friends, first of all, like my videos and subscribe my channel and share my videos and comment me in comment box. Thank you for watching and wait for the next vlog. Inshallah, next vlog is coming soon.